Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lesson 7, Part C, the assignment. Okay, now we already learned the ism has four properties. Out of that, we already learned three properties. So that is status, number, and gender. So status is obvious. Looking at the ending sound or combination, you can easily recognize that. But when it comes to number and gender, little tricky because the grammatically what I'm talking about grammatically is little tricky only for the broken uh, plural. Other ones are very easy. The ending sound ending combination like ending combination una ina ina it's very easy. Atu natin natin easy. But the tricky part is broken plural because you need to know the meaning to understand the number and gender grammatically. Okay, because of that I'm going to help you in this assignment because ideally the meaning should be written down to do this assignment, but however since meaning is not written down I will help you to complete this assignment. So normally when you study in the grammar the meaning is not important, but since for this exercise meaning is quite important because because of the broken plural, because for the broken plural to recognize it as a broken plural you need to know the meaning. First one is already given, answer is given, that is hujuri. It is actually broken plural. Okay, it means guardianships. So anyway, hujuri, it's easy jar because e sound, and it is treated as, even though it is plural, since it is a broken plural, it is treated as singular feminine. So this word is a little tricky. Normally, every Arabic words are coming from root letters. So these root letters is coming from Hajara. So these the words are derived from this particular root letters has related meanings. So actually, I was still in a thinking process. What is the relationship between stone and a guardianship? So anyhow, that is in a separate discussion. We will when we learn the Quran, we will discuss the root letters and how the meanings are related. Maybe if anyone can come up with an idea, I already have one in my mind. But if anyone can come up with an idea, please let me know. So it will be interesting analysis. To be honest, this is gonna be interesting analysis, analyzing the root letters and understand different meaning of the word and connecting those words. Um, so that is one. Second word is tazkiratun. Uh, this is the root letter is zakara. Normally, I get the meaning from the root letters. So zakara mean zikr, the remembrance. The tazkiratun. Actually, this zakara root letter has in Quran approximately 292 times, and different 14 derivatives, different words, but the root letter is the same, 292 times and 14 different types, zikr like that. So tazkiratun is okay. This maybe you don't need to know the meaning as well, because if you go to muslimatun, tazkiratun, so it is the same pattern. So it is, first of all, it is rafa, because muslimatun is rafa, because tazkiratun is rafa, un sound. Then second is it is singular, because muslimatun is a singular and it's feminine child, so this is also feminine. So that's easy guess. Actually, you don't need to. Actually, meaning is reminder. So I told you the same root letters will give you the same related meanings. Third word is aimanu. Aimanu root letters coming from yamin, yamana. So yamin mean right. The aimanu means oaths. Oaths mean multiple oath. Relationship yamin mean right hand. So you normally use right hand to give the oath, right? So there's a connection. So those anyway we learn later. I couldn't stop explaining those. Anyhow, so Aimana means it's oaths, plural of oath. So that is a broken plural. So it is Aimanu, U sound Rafa. And since it's a non-human broken plural, it is considered as a singular feminine. Next word is Al Sabilu. Al sabilu mean path. So u sound rafa. Um, it is singular. Okay, now gender is a you need to think a little bit. Hope you remember there are some words because of Arab said so it is feminine. So this is feminine because Arab said so. So it is rafa, singular and feminine. Muhsinina, next word. It is easy. Fifth word is easy. Muhsinina. It's like Muslimina. So it is first thing is it is plural because Muslimina is plural. Muhsinina is plural. Then it is in the chart. It is number is plural and the status is nasubojar. Can you remember Muslimina is nasubojar? So Muslimuna is Rafa, Muslimina is Nasabojar. So Muna is Rafa, Musinina is Nasabojar, and it is plural and also it is masculine because it is in masculine chart. Next word is sixth is ma, water. It is also simple. It is ma, it is nasib, sound, and it is singular. There is no sign of plural, and it is uh, masculine because there is no sign of feminine. Next word is sayyatin. What you have to hear is that atin sound. Can you remember muslimatin, sayyatin? So when you hear that atin sound, you can apply this chart. So you can say that is first thing is it is atin sound. So it can be um, muslimatun is rafa, muslimatin is nasubojar. So sayyatin nasubojar, and it is number is plural because it is in plural column, and it is gender is feminine because it is feminine chart. That's easy. Next word is inaban. Inaban is grapes. Grape. Agnaban is grapes. So inaban is then singular. So and it is nasib, inaban, un sound, and it is singular, and there is no feminine qualities are there. So it is a masculine. Ninth one I'm not explaining. Mugurilina, you supposed to know this. Then next one is adaika. Adaika is gardens, the plural of garden. So it is a adaika is nasib, ka sound, and it is since it's a non-human broken plural, it should consider as a singular feminine. That also, that's why I'm doing this exercise because you don't know the meaning. So since meaning is not important, but only for this assignment meaning is important, I'm doing this complete assignment. Number 11 is Rijala. Okay. Rijala mean men, not man, men. Men is plural. So, okay. Now this one is, please understand this. If you understand this Rijala word, you will understand the entire theory. Okay. So Rijala, first of all, is Nasib, la sound, that is easy. Now when it come to the gender, okay. When it come to number and gender, number, Rijala, if you look at it, the meaning, men is plural, so number is plural, okay, and gender is masculine because rijala is a man, it's masculine. This is clear, but remember this is a broken plural, so broken plural um, can be treated as singular feminine. Okay, the broken plural, if it is a human broken plural, non-human broken plural, it has to treat it as singular feminine, that is obvious. But when it come to non-human broken plural, this is a non, sorry, when it come to human broken plural, this is a human because rijala is men, so this is a human broken plural. Okay, when it come to human broken plural, it has to treat it as, it can be treated as singular feminine, or it can be treated as uh, what it is, like plural, and what the reality is. So here this can be treated as plural and men. If you are treating as a plural, it has to treat it as men because you are treating as it is. Okay, so plural and masculine, but the grammatically this also can be treated as singular feminine because it is broken plural. So when it comes to human broken plural, there are two options, two answers are there. Both answers are correct. Okay, you can treat it as plural, and what is the exact what is the correct gender, that you can treat it as like that. And also you can treat it as singular feminine. Okay, because it is a human broken plural. But non-human broken plural, there is no two options, only one option. You have to treat it as singular feminine grammatically. This means grammatically only, really they are not plural. Okay, that you need to understand. The really, I mean really they are plural. You singular, you are treating as singular and feminine, because grammatically, because rijal in men is not female, it obviously masculine, but grammatically you can treat it as singular feminine also. And kutubun is books, it is really, really it is plural, but grammatically you can treat it as singular feminine. So even the translation you will not see this. If you go to the English translation, if it is books, it is referred as they. Okay, but in Arabic it will not refer as a they, it will refer as she. So please keep in mind, translation you will not see this. Okay, you will see only when you learn the Arabic. If you understand Arabic only, you can understand this. Mutaffifina I will not do, it is easy. Number 13, Musafina I will not do, it is easy. Majidun, it is singular, it also easy. It's a name, so like Muslimun, Rafa, singular and masculine. There's no feminine characteristics for that. Al Farilati, this is like Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimati. So same apply here. Based on chart, you can get the answer. Ghashiyati, also you can use the same. Akibatu, Muslim feminine chart you can use. Adabin is punishment. I will give you the translation, you find the meaning. Qanitina, that also easy. Al Malaku, that also easy. It's Malaku will give you the meaning. That is one angel. Malaku is one angel, so you can figure it out. So if you know the meaning, you should be able to figure it out. The Rafa Nasab status and singular number. Nafsu is singular. I gave the answer because nafsu means soul, so it's singular. So you can figure it out the rest. Tijaratan, meaning is trade, one trade. 24, use the Muslim chart. 25, miataini. This is little tricky. Okay, this is a taini sound. Okay, miataini. Okay, so use the Muslim chart. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, miataini. So now you can figure it is pair actually. So based on Muslim chart, you can figure it out. Walidin is father, so you can figure the answer now. So I'm only giving the meaning. So based on that, you can figure it out. It is broken plural or not. Taulan mean financial ability. Narun is already fire, but I'm giving a clue. When it comes to gender, be careful. Insanu is human being. Kamar mean the moon. Sunana is vase. Okay, vase. This is the broken plural of sunna, I think. Sunana, it's a broken plural. So rest you figure it out. We say follow the sunnah. So sunana is vase. Follow the way. The last one is sa'ila. The sa'ila is person who asks question. Sa'ala mean ask. So sa'ila means the person who asking question. So last one I'll give you the answer, because sa'ila mean one. So it is one person, and sa'ila less sound is it is nasib, and it is one person, and there is no feminine characteristic, so it is masculine. Okay. So Sailun, Sailan, Sailin, Sailani, Sailin, Sailin, Sailuna, Sailina, Sailina. So that's the chart. So you should be able to, when it comes to like a human, this is a human. The person who asks question is a human, obviously. So those kind of thing we can should be able to put into the Muslim chart. So I gave the clues and I gave some answers. So you will be able. This is just I did. Normally I don't do the for the other assignment. I did this because you need to understand the meaning, because you to find out whether something is broken plural or not. So those are the tips to do the assignment. Some already have done, some others I have given. Half is done, half I have given the clues. So using the clues, do the answers, and I'll post the answer later, inshallah.